everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to turn on Targus docking station, how to set up and use Targus docking station. How to set up Targus docking station. Gather components. Ensure you have the docking station power adapter and any necessary cables USB-C, USB-A adapter. Connect peripherals. Plug in monitor, keyboard, mouse and other peripherals to the docking station. Power connection. Connect the power adapter to the docking station and a power outlet. The LED should light up. Connect the laptop. Use the USB-C cable to connect the docking station to your laptop. If need, use the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Install software. Download and install Display Link Manager from the Targus website if required by your docking station model. Configure display. Adjust display setting on your laptop by going to your laptop display settings. How to turn on Targus docking station. Power connection. Ensure the docking station is plugged into a power outlet. The LED should be on. Power button. Press the power button if your docking station has one. This power button can also wake your laptop from sleep mode if it is connected. Laptop connection. Connect your laptop using the USB cable. Check device. Confirm all peripherals are working. Update drivers if needed. How to use Targus docking station. Power on. Make sure the docking station is on with the LED light. Laptop connection. Connect your laptop with the USB cable. Use peripherals. Operate connected device as you would normally. Adjust settings. Use Display Link Manager to tweak monitor settings. Disconnect. Unplug the USB cable when finished. Thanks for watching.